Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a declutter my closet video because honestly, I've been hoarding clothes for the past probably 5 years. From like, I have some clothes since I was in high school, which was like 8 years ago when I graduated. And I'm pretty sure I had like a pair of jeans since like I was in the 9th grade. So it's been over 10 years probably, because I have not gained weight. I'm gonna go through like 4 closets and just get rid of everything, because honestly it's time to upgrade my closet with new things and get rid of the old. I have things also that I have not even worn that has a tag still on it. Sometimes when I shop, I'm like, okay, this is so cute, maybe I'll wear it one day, but then again, I have no social life, so who am I fooling? So it just sits and collects dust over years. I'm gonna be donating some things. I'm gonna be selling some things on Poshmark. This video is sponsored by Poshmark, app where you can sell your clothes, old clothes. If you have your own brand of clothing, you can sell your stuff on there as well. So I'm gonna list a bunch of my stuff on there. I will leave a link to download Poshmark in the description box. I have a bunch of cute things I'm gonna post on there, like a bunch of things from Misguided. Have some pretty little thing, clothing, stuff from Zara. Also, you can list your Poshmark name down below so I can follow you on Poshmark and rate your closet. So I'm going to be getting rid of a lot of Brooks clothes. I'm not gonna be selling those. I'm gonna just get rid of those and donate them. And if you guys like would want any of his clothes, I have things from when he was a newborn till now that he can't fit, he has never worn, or still has a tag on it. So if y'all want any of that, like DM me on Instagram. Instagram is at iamtinkerc. So DM me there, or you can email me at iamtinkerc@gmail.com. I'm gonna be doing the, what is it called? I think it's called the Konmari method, where you like hold the item and say, okay, does this item give me spark? Do I need this pretty much? Like, I think most of my clothes give me spark, but I can't fit it, or it don't look right on me. Like, it probably fits somebody way better than my figure. So I just, like I said, I just buy things if you buy things. I'm gonna do that method and see what gives me spark and what doesn't, and I'm gonna just let it go. Okay, so here is my very junky closet. Right here, I have all of Brooks' clothes because his room is actually upstairs. That's this little section where I have some of his clothes at. I have like 3 crates upstairs full of Brooks' clothes. My dresses and jackets right here. And then I'm just like a bunch of random things. I have a crate already full of clothes in there that I just put in there that I don't wear. And that's a lot in there. Then I have things that are upstairs, things up here too. I can't breathe. Jesus, I can't believe I have this many clothes. I'm looking at it like, wow, like you did some damage. This is a lot of clothes. To me, it's a lot of clothes. I don't know what you guys have in your closet. I forgot all of this. Let me get all this down. Mess. Let's go bring this. I'm gonna make like a pile for donation, a pile for stuff I want to get rid of, and things that I'm gonna keep. So I have 3 piles of clothes. Donkeys. I may just donate it to. It's just one of those holographic hats. I don't know what I was thinking. I was going through a phase, as y'all can see. I have this. Okay, so I think I'm gonna just sell this. I'm probably gonna wear it ever again, and it's like a tube top. It has a matching skirt to go with it. So I'm gonna sell this on Poshmark. It's a long maxi skirt. It's like a lilac color, my favorite color. Boom, boom, boom. Cute. Where was I gonna wear this? I don't know. I bought it from Missguided, and as you see, never worn it. So I think I'm gonna just sell this because that's dang cute. Okay, so I bought this top right here from the store called Revolve, and it's perfect. I love it, but the problem is like the straps are too long, and it just like, so when you're wearing it, it literally drips, like it just, like your nipples pretty much show. Nobody got time for that, so this has to go. Bye bye. More pregnancy buys. I bought this when I was pregnant as well. This is from Missguided. I really like Missguided, so that's where I mainly buy all my clothes from. Missguided or Zara, pretty much. So it's just like a off-the-shoulder top, and it has like these wide sleeves, and it has like ties at the end of the sleeves as well. So I'll put this on Poshmark. Tube top again, and it has matching pants. This is a size 0, and I can't fit it. So if you are a definite size 0, I think I'm a size 2 now, but if you are for sure a size 0, then I will say get it. I really don't want to have to try it on because I really can't fit it. Pregnancy buy. This is funny. I bought so many pregnancy clothes, and I bought like a size medium, or I bought a size US 4 or 6 and something sometimes. But it's just like this boho type of dress, ruffly kind of, wide sleeves, has a belt on it as well. Pretty cute, but I can't fit it, so yeah, I'll just sell that. Mustard colored sweater. I have a bunch of sweaters I'm gonna be posting, so I'm posting this as well. It's from Missguided. It's really cute, but doesn't give me sparks, so I'm getting rid of it. Can y'all see me in this? It's raining. Great time to rain. I love tops like this that I can wear in the summer with like high-waisted shorts or jeans. I had ordered 2 skirts, one from me and my friend, and someone just texted me, for me and my friend, but hers came ripped, like the zipper came ripped. So I mean, maybe we could fix it. I could fix it, I don't know, but it's so cute. Look how cute this is. So this is a size 6, no, US 2. If I can fix the zipper, I will sell it because it's nice material and it's thick and it's stretchy. So I'm gonna try to fix the zipper. If I can fix it, I'll sell it. If not, I'm gonna just trash it. But I'll put it in the sell pile for now. And also I have another one that I can fit. You know what? I think I'm gonna keep this. This gives me spark, like for real. I just never wore it. I think I'm gonna keep this for sure. It's a size 0. This skirt is so cute. Keeping it. I'm gonna just donate. I'm so sad. Like, these jeans are so cute, but they're too tight. They're size US 2, and I guess their sizing is different because look how tiny it is. I can't even fit this. This is a size 2. So I'm gonna sell these jeans because they are nice jeans, but I just can't fit them. dresses from Misguided. So I ordered one and they sent me two. So I have two in a size US 2, I think. Yeah, I do. But I'm gonna tell y'all now, this dress fits like a 0. This is super, super tight. It couldn't even get over my head. So like, look at this is the head space. And it's not even that stretchy. You gotta stuff your head in this thing. This. Y'all know I just have a problem. So cute, I just can't fit it, so bye bye. I'm selling it. Okay, this is one of the pieces I was talking about how I've had for years. So I've got this. I remember the year I got this because I remember events that happened around that time. So I got this in 2013. This is so, it was at Forever 21. It was like vintage and I was like, ooh, I gotta have this jacket. Look at this jacket. It is so freaking cute. I love it. I wanted to show you how cute it is. Look at the details of it. It's one of my favorite jackets. So cute. If this ain't Spark, I don't know what it is. This is Spark, guys. This is like Sex in the City Spark. Like, this is, you have to keep this dress. I got these straps. There's okay, guys, I bought this dress like 3 years ago and I have had nowhere to wear it yet, and I'm so mad because I really want to wear this freaking dress and it's literally cute. The middle part is like, okay, let me try that. Maybe I'll try it on. But as you can see, this is like the middle part. It's like like your stomach is out and it's like a strap and it's long. I'm gonna wear this one day. We'll just keep holding on to this until I wear it. So when I wear this dress, I will take a picture in it and say, guys, it's been 3 years and finally she got her night out. She's gonna get her night out one day. It's the iamtinkerc top, it's the crop top. Holy Bible collection top, size US 4. This is the bralette. And I have the leggings. The leggings are really tight as well. This is a size US 0, and if it's more like a 00. So if you are like a 00 or a 0, you probably could fit this. I mean, it is stretchy, but it just, I hate things that are like too tight. So if you like tight stuff, then this is fine, but I just don't want to wear it because it's just too tight. And this is a US 4, the bralette. That is it. That's a lot of stuff, honestly. I have a lot of things that I haven't seen in a couple of years. Like, I need to stop buying things that are just cute and I'm not probably ever gonna wear them because I have nowhere to go to wear them. So if you are interested in the things that I do have for like baby boys from 0 to 12 months, I'm gonna post them on a Facebook group. So I'm gonna make one like right now and just start posting things on it. If you want me to add you to the group, just message me on Instagram, or you can hit me up on Twitter or my email, and I'll send you guys the link to it. Everything is gonna be free. I'm gonna ship it to you guys for free as well. I have a lot of things. Come, first serve. I'm gonna list everything that I'm selling on Poshmark, so don't forget to click the link in the description box so you guys can see what I have. And you guys is usernames so I can follow you down below. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'm so tired, I'm sleepy. It's like 8 p.m. so I'm about to go wash, make this Facebook group. Thank y'all for watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.